Hello? Today I got a magic trick for you. Okay. So, I'm going to ask you to pick a number between 1 and 20. We're going to use, let's say, 7. So I'm going to take 7 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7th card is going to be yours. The 7th card is the 10 of hearts. Okay. Now, normally I wouldn't see it, but okay, you can put the 10 of hearts anywhere, this packet, anywhere you want. Right there. Shuffle. Shuffle some more. Shuffle again. Okay, now I'm going to shuffle a little bit more. Shuffle some more. Okay, we're about done now. Now you know your card is mixed in here pretty good. What I'm going to do is put a little magic in the deck. Just a little wave. Okay. I'm going to do it again. Little wave. Okay. Now, the deck is normal, like usual. Okay. What I'm going to do is cut the deck. And there's one card that's flipped over. And it's your card. The 10 of hearts.